came like sunset after rain. Soft voice, sweet lies, no shame. First sight, Nikashika feelings fast. Now I'm healing from a forever that didn't last. Everybody outside getting character development. Love nowadays got zero commitment. 1 minute babe, next minute scene. Tulikuwa goals, now you move so mean. You looked at me like I was the one. Late night calls till the morning sun. TikTok repost saying my person. Kumbe ilikuwa another lesson. You said I'm different, trust me please. Now your location's hidden with ease. From matching hoodies to cold replies. Nowadays love just comes disguised. I gave my heart no insurance. Now pain be your full-time endurance. Friends want me but siku's Keya. Now every sad song feels too familiar. Cause love here fast, fast. People fall then goes like Snapchat. You hold tight then boom they switch. One text changes everything quick. You came like sunset after rain. Soft voice, sweet lies, no shame. First sight, Nikashika feelings fast. Now I'm healing from a forever that didn't last. Everybody outside getting character development. Love nowadays got zero commitment. 1 minute mine, next minute stranger. Hearts turning cold from all this danger. I saw future in your brown eyes. You saw temporary vibes and nightlife. I was writing paragraphs deep. You were online, but never asleep. Now I act okay on Instagram stories, but low-key replaying memories. Funny how I love you became trauma. Now trust issues, you're my armor. Cupid outside working careless, making good hearts feel worthless. Still somehow I miss your face. Even after you left, no trace. Maybe love these days ain't real. Maybe everybody just learning to heal. But one day somebody gon' stay. Not everybody walks away. 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 Not everybody walks away.